Hiya, my name is Aileen
And my name's Nellie.
and we have a lovely song to share with you today called Rory
Rory
Óg
Óg
Mac
Mac
Rory.
Rory.
First thing we're going to do is share the chorus with you, so we're going to sing it. Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. So, the words, couple of words there to tell you about. One is Rory Óg Mac Rory. That's a boy's name, but Óg, what does that mean now?
It's an Irish word for young.
That's right, so it's young Rory, Mac Rory, and Mac means son of, so it's really little Rory, son of Rory. So his daddy's name is Rory too, but he's young Rory, so that's how people know them apart. Rory Óg Mac Rory. So we're going to teach you that little chorus first. I'm going to sing a line, and then you can sing it back along with Nellie.
Yeah.
Rory here and Rory there,
Rory here and Rory there.
rollicking Rory everywhere.
Rollicking Rory everywhere.
As wild as a mush or a mountain hare
As wild as a mush or a mountain hare
was Rory Óg Mac Rory.
was Rory Óg Mac Rory.
Now together. Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. And Musher is a mountain down in Cork, so Rory was as wild as a mountain hare from Musher. And rollicking means he was a real playful chap. So the first verse, Nellie, will you sing it for us?
Yeah. 'Twas early in the month of June when first I met my own garsoon. Oh, the sweetest boy in all my groom was Rory Óg Mac Rory. He took me to the fairy dell, the same old story he did tell. I love the ground you walk on, Nell, said Rory Óg Mac Rory.
Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. So hope you joined in with us on the chorus there. And now we're going to teach you the first verse. So again, I'm going to sing a line and you sing it back with Nellie. 'Twas early in the month of June
'Twas early in the month of June
when first I met my own garsoon.
when first I met my own garsoon.
Oh, the sweetest boy in all Macroom was Rory Óg Mac Rory.
Oh, the sweetest boy in all my room was Rory Óg Mac Rory.
He took me to the fairy dell,
He took me to the fairy dell,
the same old story he did tell.
the same old story he did tell.
I love the ground you walk on, Nell, said Rory Óg Mac Rory.
I love the ground you walk on, Nell, said Rory Óg Mac Rory.
So now let's all sing that verse together and we'll follow it with the chorus. So, 'twas early in the month of June when first I met my own garsoon. Oh, the sweetest boy in all Macroom was Rory Óg Mac Rory. He took me to the fairy dell, the same old story he did tell. I love the ground you walk on, Nell, said Rory Óg Mac Rory. Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. Sing us the second verse now.
He took me to Killarkin Fair, the Kerry boys were dancing there. But none of them you would compare to Rory Óg Mac Rory. He danced the blackbird Kerry style, and you should see the Colleen smile. But I kept watching all the while for fear to steal my Rory.
Lovely. So now we'll share that with you. So I'm going to sing a line and then you sing along with Nellie. He took me to Killarkin Fair,
He took me to Killargan Fair.
The Kerry boys were dancing there.
The Kerry boys were dancing there.
Ah, but none of them you would compare to Rory Óg Mac Rory.
Ah, but none of them you would compare to Rory Óg Mac Rory.
He danced the blackbird Kerry style,
He danced the blackbird Kerry style,
and you should see the colleen smile.
and you should see the colleen smile.
But I kept watching all the while, for fear they'd steal my Rory.
But I kept watching all the while, for fear they steal my Rory.
And now we'll sing that through all together and follow it with the chorus again. So, he took me to Killargan Fair, the Kerry boys were dancing there. Ah, but none of them you would compare to Rory Óg Mac Rory. He danced the blackbird Kerry style, and you should see the colleen smile. But I kept watching all the while, for fear they'd steal my Rory. Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. And the last verse.
Then Father Dan, he made us one. He said, God bless my girl and son, and may all your troubles be little ones, my Rory Óg Mac Rory. And now our love is all complete, they're dancing round and round our feet. And Mike and Dan and Ger and Kate and the baby's name is Rory.
So now we'll teach that to you. But just to say about that little phrase there, Now Father Dan, he made us one. What does that mean?
It means that they got married.
Yes, they did, and they had children and lived happily ever after. Nice, happy little song. So the first line is, Then Father Dan, he made us one.
Then Father Dan, he made us one.
He said, God bless my girl and son.
He said, God bless my girl and son.
And may all your troubles be little ones, my Rory Óg Mac Rory.
And may all your troubles be little ones, my Rory Óg Mac Rory.
And now our love is all complete.
And now our love is all complete.
They're dancing round and round our feet.
They're dancing round and round our feet.
Mike and Dan and Ger and Kate, and the baby's name is Rory.
Mike and Dan and Ger and Kate, and the baby's name is Rory.
Let's sing that whole verse all together and we'll finish with the chorus, okay? And when you're singing this song all together, then you would sing the chorus twice at the end. But just for now, let's just sing it once. And it starts with Then Father Dan, yeah? Then Father Dan, he made us one. He said, God bless my girl and son. And may all your troubles be little ones, my Rory Óg Mac Rory. And now our love is all complete. They're dancing round and round our feet. Mike and Dan and Ger and Kate, and the baby's name is Rory. Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. So that's the whole song. But because we've been breaking it up so much and stopping and starting to learn it, wouldn't it be nice to sing the whole thing from the very beginning through? 'Twas early in the month of June, when first I met my own garsoon. Oh, the sweetest boy in all my crew was Rory Óg Mac Rory. He took me to the fairy dell, the same old story he did tell. I love the ground you walk on now, said Rory Óg Mac Rory. Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. He took me to Killargan Fair, the Kerry boys were dancing there. Ah, but none of them you would compare to Rory Óg Mac Rory. He danced the blackbird Kerry style, and you should see the colleen smile. But I kept watching all the while for fear they'd steal my Rory. Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. Then Father Dan, he made us one. He said, God bless my girl and son, and may all your troubles be little ones, my Rory Óg Mac Rory. And now our love is all complete, they're dancing round and round our feet. Mike and Dan and Ger and Kate, and the baby's name is Rory. Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. Rory here and Rory there, rollicking Rory everywhere. As wild as a mush or a mountain hare was Rory Óg Mac Rory. So there they go, Rory and Nell. Wasn't that very handy the way the girl's name in the song was the same as yours? So we hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, we'll hope you look up some more nice traditional songs to learn and sing, and that you had a great day for Crinune and Og 2020. Slán!